This is not an ordinary WPL toy. It started its life as the B16 model, but to be honest I didn't like it much, so I decided to make a few changes. This is a bunch of parts that I removed from the car. I started with the fenders, then I removed the front bumper and trimmed the frame about 1 cm. The original motor and gearbox were weak, so I replaced them with the new 370 motor and a stronger metal gearbox. Unfortunately, this wasn't enough to get a proper torque, so I decided to remove 2 last wheels and switch to 4-wheel drive. To do this, I had to remove the semi-trailer, cut the rear side of the frame and modify the suspension. This was the most difficult part. I decided to use the parts from the original suspension and create something new, something that will be simple and more flexible. I also decided to shorten the wheelbase and use shorter shaft for the rear wheels. And by the way, all shafts are metal now and the screws are secured with the Loctite. It works great, so I really recommend to use the Loctite or something similar. Nail polish works fine as well. The most noticeable change can be seen here. The new body painting, new wooden floor and a few scale accessories. But the solution that I like most is the small mounting pin under the hood. It helps to secure the battery really well. No more falling out batteries and damaged cables. By the way, I also replaced the original connector with the XT60, as this is my new standard for most RC stuff. So let's take this car for a quick ride and see what it can do. These are the stock tires and they are not very soft, but still grippy enough. Well, okay, I admit it is a bit nose heavy, but with a proper technique it can do it. And thanks to this heavy front, it climbs quite well. Sometimes it's just a matter of the path you take. Okay, but can it climb back? Let's find out. And yes, it did it! It may be not as good as the Axial SCX24, my favorite, but definitely it is more capable than the stock WPL B16. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and maybe even consider to subscribe. Have a great day and see you next time!